Welcome to the PAIC IELTS Learning application. To get started, please click on the Login button at the top right corner of the screen and enter your username and password. Then click on Login to proceed. You will be prompted to change your password. Enter the password provided by our team in the first box, create a new password of your choice in the second box, and confirm it in the third box. Click on Save Changes to complete this step. Once done, click on the Home button at the top left corner of the screen and scroll down to view the course categories. Get started with the first section, Sample Test. Click on Start Now and then Enroll Me to begin. Listening. In the first skill, Listening, click on Attempt Quiz and then Start Attempt. Read the instructions carefully and adjust the volume as needed using the volume buttons. Listen to the recording and answer the questions accordingly.
You will hear a recording and you will have to answer questions on what you will hear. There will be time for you to read the instructions and questions. You will have a chance to check your answers. All the recordings will be played only once. You should answer the questions as you listen because you will not hear the recording second time. You will hear a conversation between two friends planning a hiking trip. You have some time to look at the questions 1 to 6.
Once done, click on Finish Attempt. Scroll down and click on Submit and Finish. Please note that you cannot change or edit your answers once you submit. Reading. For the second skill, Reading, follow the same steps as for listening. Click on Attempt Quiz, read the instructions, and answer the questions based on the passage provided. Once done, click on Finish Attempt, scroll down, and click on Submit and Finish. Writing. For the third skill, Writing, click on Attempt Quiz and then Start Attempt. Read the instructions carefully and ensure you complete within the time and word requirements for the topic. Write your response in a well-organized manner, using relevant details and a good range of vocabulary and mix of sentence structures for effective writing. Once done, click on Finish Attempt, scroll down, and click on Submit and Finish. You can review your response and get feedback within 24 hours. Speaking. For the fourth skill, Speaking, click on Attempt Quiz and then Start Attempt.
Absolutely. Studying abroad is something I'm very interested in pursuing during my college years. I believe it would be an invaluable experience to immerse myself in a different culture, learn a new language, and gain a global perspective.
Read the instructions carefully and record your answers using the recording icon. Ensure you cover all the bullet points mentioned and use linking words to connect your ideas. Once done, click on Finish Attempt, scroll down, and click on Submit and Finish. You can review your response and get feedback within 24 hours. Click on Home and then IELTS General to access the IELTS test series. Start with the first test, English Proficiency Assessment, and follow the same steps as before for each skill. Once you complete the first test in the IELTS General, you will be enrolled in the Foundation Practice Set. You can access this section to practice grammar exercises such as conjunctions, verb tenses, and adjectives, etc. Lastly, to review your writing and speaking sections, go back to the test you completed in the sample test section, click on Review, and scroll down to see the evaluation summary and feedback. Read the feedback carefully to understand where you need improvement and how to implement the strategies provided to achieve a good band score. Thank you for watching.